Yoga is an ancient practice with numerous benefits. Yoga offers much, from increasing flexibility to reducing stress and anxiety. For beginners, choosing the right type of yoga can be overwhelming. It can be time-consuming to decide where to begin with so many styles available. Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is a gentle and slow-paced practice that is perfect for beginners. This type of yoga is an older style that's specializing in controlling your breathing, doing simple poses, and meditating. Hatha Yoga is an excellent way to build a strong foundation and increase flexibility. In a normal Hatha Yoga class, you'll be holding each pose for a few breaths and move slowly through a series of postures. Iyengar Yoga. Iyengar Yoga is another great option for beginners. It is a form of Hatha Yoga that focuses on alignment and precision. In an Iyengar Yoga class, you will use blocks, straps, or blankets to help you achieve proper alignment in each posture. This makes it a perfect choice for those new to yoga or with limited flexibility. Iyengar Yoga is recognized for its therapeutic properties, making it an ideal choice for individuals dealing with chronic pain or recovering from injuries. Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga is a more dynamic and fast-paced style that is great for beginners who want to get a good workout. In a Vinyasa Yoga class, you will flow from one pose to another, linking each movement with your breath. This practice is perfect for those who enjoy a more vigorous workout and want to improve their fitness. In conclusion, there are many approaches to finding the best type of yoga for beginners. The most important factor is finding a style and teacher that resonates with you and meets your needs, whether a gentle practice, a more vigorous flow, or a combination of both. Yoga is a process, and it takes time to become better at it. You need to keep practicing and be patient with yourself. If you continue to practice yoga regularly, you will notice many positive changes in your body, mind, and emotions. Remember to listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and always communicate with your teacher about any injuries or concerns. With dedication and practice, you can cultivate a lifelong yoga practice that supports your well-being and enhances your quality of life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more. Go to spiritualserenade89.com. Have a great day on purpose.